Thank you, God. We love our Sunday again. We feel good. Thank you, God. Here's my beaver. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Yeah, it's kind of nice and quiet here. It's not that much traffic here. Oh, here. Look at this.
Thank you, God. The sunshine is
Look at the
coming
clouds.
up. Yeah.
Like a whole bunch of
nice.
snow.
Earlier is it's a little bit kind of gloomy. Phew. Oh, look at that. Have a good week to all of us.
The sun's coming out.
Let's go to Smith's.
Yeah.
There you will buy some